You actually did that?
I swear. Best mistake ever.
Yeah. Yeah, it's back.
Creating high-quality videos just like the ones you just watched should be exciting, not frustrating. But for many creators, it means juggling multiple tools, dealing with strict restrictions, slow generations, and platforms that limit creative freedom. Instead of focusing on ideas, you waste time fighting the process. The real problem is flexibility. Most AI video generators lock you into a single model, a single style, and a rigid workflow. If the result is not right, you start all over again in another tool. That is where Lit Media AI changes the game. It brings several advanced AI video models into one platform, allowing you to switch styles, experiment freely, and create high-quality videos without jumping between tools. With minimal restrictions and maximum control, creativity flows the way it should. Want to see how to create quality AI videos like you watched at the beginning? Let's get started. Lit Media AI is an incredibly comprehensive platform for creators. When you visit Lit Media AI, you'll find a wide range of AI-powered tools, from text to video and image to video, to full animation and AI-driven animated content. But it doesn't stop there. Within the platform, you also get access to AI features and effects, as well as an AI music generator for creating your own quality soundtracks. You can also try the latest 4K resolution image generator tool called Nano Banana Pro by Google for free. I've included a link to the website in the description. Clicking the link will take you directly there. To get started, you'll first need to sign up by clicking the login button. You can register using your Gmail or any other email account. Once you've completed registration, you'll receive free credits to start experimenting with the tools right away. Lit Media AI integrates multiple cutting-edge AI models in one platform, including WAN 2.5, Nano Banana Pro, Veo 3.1, Sora 2, Hailuo 2.3, and more. This makes it an incredibly powerful and convenient tool for creators. You can freely switch between different models to produce high-quality videos efficiently. The flexibility allows you to experiment with different styles and outputs without having to jump between multiple tools. Getting started is simple, thanks to 100+ ready-made effects and templates. Even if you're new to AI video tools, you can quickly create content. For those who want complete creative freedom, you can use custom prompts for text-to-video or image-to-video generation to craft unique, personalized content. Now, let's try the text-to-video option. Once you enter this section, you'll see the prompt interface. Start by entering your idea into the prompt box. I'll paste a simple prompt here as an example. If you want to enhance your prompt, just click the Improve this description button to make it more detailed and creative. Next, choose a model for your video. For my first video, I'll select Lit AI 5 Pro. If you want to add background sound, enable the Auto Sound option. After that, select the aspect ratio. I'll go with 16:9. Then set the duration and choose your video quality, ranging from 360p to 1080p. If you want your creation to remain private, you can disable the public option. Once you're satisfied with all the settings, click Create to start processing. After just a few seconds, your video will be ready. And here is the output. The result is very impressive and matches our prompt exactly. To download the video, simply click the Download button. If you want, you can extend your video by using the Extend button. Now let's move on and test the image-to-video option. First, let me use Lit Media AI Image Generator to generate the image I want to use. Still on the dashboard, I will click Image Generate, then select Text to Image, paste in my prompt, select the image generation model, image quality and size, then click Generate. Within a few seconds, our image is ready. I will download it to my device. Now, click on Image to Video, and once you're inside, the first step is to upload the image you want to turn into a video. After that, select a model for your video. For this example, I'll use the Veo 3.1 model. Next, enter your prompt in the prompt box. After that, choose the duration and video quality, then move to the style section. If you don't want your video shared with the community, just disable Open Discovery. Finally, click Create. The AI will start processing, which usually takes around 2 to 3 minutes. After just a short wait, the result is ready. You can play it and see the quality for yourself. Impressive, right? If you do not like the generation, you can always regenerate for a better production. From creating music to generating and editing videos, Lit Media AI has become an essential part of my creative process. Now let's try image to video again, but this time using a different model. Select a new model from the list. I'll go with Sora 2 to see how it performs. Upload the image, write a simple prompt, disable Open Discovery, and click Create. Within just a few seconds, the video is generated. Let's preview it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's back. Yeah. Yeah, it's back.
Honestly, this result is really impressive. The characters look so cute, the video quality is excellent, and the lip sync works really well. To download the video, just click the download button. I've tried many AI tools over the past few weeks, but this one truly stands out. The results speak for themselves. I genuinely recommend trying it at least once, and I'm confident you'll be impressed by its fast generation speed and excellent video quality. The platform has now launched a lifetime plan that offers unlimited video generation for selected models. You'll find the link in the video description to help you get started. This means you pay once and enjoy unlimited video creation, without worrying about monthly subscriptions or running out of credits. For creators, this is an incredible value and easily one of the strongest reasons to choose this tool. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to support the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.